Your xorkee handle is your unique digital identity, like a username that lets you sign, verify, and authenticate digitally without dealing with complex certificate details. Xorkee securely generates a key pair on your device, combined with your phone's biometric authentication, providing the highest form of security. In this video, let's see how to register xorkee on your phone. Open the Google Play Store or App Store and search for xorkee. Install the xorkee app. Once installed, open the app. You will see a brief welcome screen. A pop-up will appear requesting permission to send notifications. Tap Allow. You will then see two registration options. Select Phone to register by creating a secure key pair on your device. Enter your desired xorkee handle. Your handle can include letters, numbers, and special characters such as underscore, @, dot, or a hyphen. Tap Register and authenticate using your fingerprint or Face ID. Your handle is now successfully registered with xorkee. You can now start signing, authenticating, and communicating securely using xorkee. We recommend adding a nominee at the earliest so you can recover your handle in case of accidental loss and ensure uninterrupted service.